right, guys, week 2, day number 6, doing it in the evening this time. Kind of thinking about what I wanted to say today for today's quick boost. And ironically, I was scrolling through my phone earlier and I happened to stumble upon a clip that I had done 2 weeks before I even came up with the idea for this handbook for you guys. So I'm actually going to plug that in right now. It kind of ties into what we talked about a couple of days ago for the quick boost, which is how exercise permeates into different areas of our lives. And so I think it's just super cool. Here it is. I hope it helps. Hey guys, so one of the things that I love, one of the many things that I love about fitness is that it helps with stress relief, and it's as practical as you can get because we're always all stressed out, right? And so basically what happened with me just now is I had some frustrations figuring out how I'm going to put this program together, spent hours of time this morning and nothing to show for it. And then I was just like, you know what? Before I get any more frustrated, let me just go to the gym and see if I can just clear my head. And sure enough, I leave the gym with a bunch of ideas for you guys. And so one of the things I love about fitness is that it permeates into other areas of our life. So whether you're thinking of fitness ideas for your business or thinking of ideas of how to be a better parent or how to be a better employee or whatever it is, working out and exercise, and even if it's for just 5, 10, 20 minutes, whatever it is a great way to clear your mind, a great way to reset. And if you're like me, it's only a matter of time before ideas are flooding in, whether it's on the spot right now, leaving the gym, or whether it's later on in the day or in the week. So clear your head, don't frustrate yourself, and the ideas will come.